Unlock the exciting world of financial opportunities with how to make money online from cryptocurrency. In this guide, we'll explore the dynamic landscape of digital currencies and unveil strategies to generate income in the crypto market. Join us as we delve into trading, investing, and various methods that empower you to harness the potential of cryptocurrencies. Whether you're a seasoned trader or a crypto novice, prepare to discover how to turn the digital revolution into a source of income and financial growth. It's time to seize the potential of the crypto market and embark on a path to online financial success. Today, we will talk about how to make money online from cryptocurrency. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. Cryptocurrency has been around for more than a decade and is rapidly becoming a popular way to make money online. The cryptocurrency market is extremely lucrative. There are numerous ways to make money in cryptocurrency, ranging from investing to active trading to staking. Cryptocurrency is a decentralized payment method that can be used to conduct online transactions. The market, on the other hand, is flooded with the top cryptocurrencies to invest in, ranging from the well-known Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. With the recent increase in the value of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies, an increasing number of people are seeking ways to profit from this new digital asset. The blockchain is the digital ledger of cryptocurrency transactions. Transactions are processed on a blockchain network comprised of thousands of machines, and owners can earn cryptocurrencies in exchange for the efforts of these machines. Here are top 10 ways to make money with cryptocurrency. 1. Investing. Investing in cryptocurrency is an excellent way to profit from it. You can buy individual coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum, or you can buy a cryptocurrency index fund. This is an excellent method for diversifying your portfolio and spreading your risk. When investing in cryptocurrency, make it a point to thoroughly research and comprehend the risks involved. 2. Lending. Another way to monetize cryptocurrency is through lending. It entails lending your cryptocurrency to another person in exchange for interest. The interest rate you receive will be determined by the type of cryptocurrency you lend and the amount you lend. There are different types of lending platforms, such as decentralized lending platforms, DLP, centralized, and peer-to-peer, P2P lending. 3. Trading. Investing is a long-term endeavor based on a buy-and-hold strategy, whereas trading takes advantage of short-term opportunities. The cryptocurrency market is unpredictable. In a nutshell, asset prices can rise or fall dramatically in a short period of time. To be a successful trader, you must have strong technical and analytical skills. Another way to make money is by trading cryptocurrency pairs, such as BTC/USDT, based on market trends and technical analysis. This involves studying charts and using indicators to predict future price movements. 4. Mining. Mining is the most common way to make money with cryptocurrency. Mining validates blockchain transactions and adds new data blocks to the chain. Miners are rewarded with cryptocurrency as a result of their efforts. Mining can be done with either specialized hardware or cloud mining services. Cloud mining does not require the purchase or maintenance of hardware, but the rewards are typically lower than with hardware mining. 5. Staking. Crypto staking is a method of investing in cryptocurrency that entails keeping a set number of coins in your wallet for a set period of time. As a result, your crypto investments can generate passive income. The amount of interest you can earn is determined by the cryptocurrency and the number of coins you stake. 6. Traditional buy and hold. Getting crypto assets of choice from a crypto exchange and purchasing more when prices drop traditionally are called buying the dip. The asset may be sold months or years later at a significant overall profit compared to the purchase price. Coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin rise and fall on a daily basis. Because of the hype, new coins like Chia are more likely to debut at a higher price. It later loses value and takes a long time to recover. 7. Earning interest. Cryptocurrency can help you earn interest on your investments. It is accomplished through a yield farming process, in which you lend your cryptocurrency to a platform in exchange for interest. While potentially risky, yield farming can be a great source of passive income. The amount of interest you earn is solely determined by the platform and the type of cryptocurrency you lend. 8. Affiliate programs. Many cryptocurrency exchanges have affiliate programmers that allow to earn commissions on customers you refer. This is an excellent way to profit from cryptocurrency without having to engage in any trading or investing. Affiliate programmers can be extremely competitive. 9. Dividends. Dividends are another way to make money with your crypto assets. If you're familiar with investing in stocks or bonds, you're probably aware of the concept of dividends. Dividends are small cash payments made to shareholders. To put it simply, if a company makes profits for a quarter, those profits are split and returned to the company's ownership shareholders. 10. Airdrops. Airdrops are an excellent way for cryptocurrency enthusiasts to obtain free tokens without investing any money. Airdrops, unlike traditional sales and token launches, do not require users to make a deposit or spend any money up front. Sharing project information on social media, joining an online community, or completing simple tasks like watching an educational video are examples of these steps. Making money online from cryptocurrency is an exciting and dynamic journey that offers numerous opportunities for individuals willing to invest time, effort, and resources into this digital revolution. Whether you're interested in investing, trading, mining, or starting your own cryptocurrency project, the potential is boundless. However, it's crucial to approach the world of cryptocurrency with caution, responsibility, and a commitment to ongoing learning. With the right knowledge, strategies, and adherence to legal and security guidelines, individuals can harness the power of cryptocurrency to generate income, diversify their financial portfolio, and participate in the future of digital finance. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.